Hello, let me tell you my story. Let me tell you my story. Let me try to be more informal. Let me try to be more informal. I don't want to bore you. So let me try to be more informal and let me try to be brief also. Okay. So your time is valuable to me also. I was born in a poor family. So I was born in a poor family. I'm not trying to find any excuses. I am not trying to I'm not trying to get any sympathy. So because nowadays everybody wants sympathy based on your economical status, maybe caste, maybe the intelligence level you have, maybe the rural background, urban background, maybe educated, uneducated parents. Everybody wants some kind of sympathy. Everybody wants some kind of excuses for not performing. But I am not trying to find any sympathy. So I was born in a poor family. In fact, it worked to my advantage. It worked to my advantage. I tried to go against the norms. I tried to go against the norms. With the economical status in which I lived, I would have become ITA person, maybe technician, but I should not become an engineer. But it happened because I went against the norms. I became rebellion. And I studied reasonably well. I studied reasonably well to achieve this position. Whatever I am now, I am really enjoying. It may not be the greatest position. The many crores of people may be in better position, but still, with whatever I have, I am really enjoying my life. I was a shy guy. And I was an introvert also. I never used to speak with the girl students in school and also in intermediate. In school and intermediate also, I never used to speak with the girl students. Usually things change whenever you join BTech. But in my case, no use. Same person, and things never changed. In fact, I did my BTech in SV University College of Engineering, Tirupati. I never studied or went to hostel. So for the first 2 years, I really suffered a lot. They're some of the bad days of my life, to be frank. But things changed from third year onwards. I don't know exactly what happened, but things changed. I enjoyed a lot during my third year and final year. I watched tons of movies. And in fact, I used to go to movies, particularly second show, during the exams. But don't experiment. There are different days. But I used to go to second show during the exam time also. Whenever I think it's better to go. So I enjoyed my last 2 years at SV University College of Engineering, Tirupati. So immediately after completing my BTech, I actually joined in G. Pullareddy College of Engineering, Kurnool. I worked there for 4 years. I was more of a student than a teacher in Pullareddy College of Engineering. In fact, some of my friends were in final year when I joined there. I used to go along with them to the canteen. So those days are different actually. And enjoy a lot. I mixed with students very well, and they were the happy days. They were really the happy days. So after 2000, in 2000, October 2000, I joined at JNTU Anantapur, JNTU Anantapur College, in fact. And I think I was able to mix with the lady staff member also in JNTU Anantapur. To some extent, I think I am comfortable now. To some extent, I am comfortable now. I enjoyed first few years in JNTU Anantapur also, and in fact, I went to movies with some of the students. There is one particular student. Maybe it may not be appropriate to mention the name, but his desire was to go to movie along with me. In fact, we both watched movie. That fellow is in Japan, and whenever he comes to Anantapur, still he meets me, and we recollect those good days. But after 2006, in 2006, November 2006, I went to JNTU Pulivendala. So I worked as head of the department for the first 5 years. I worked as head of the department for 5 years. I think they are the best days of my life. And I was close with the students. I was very strict person. I was sincere. But I got a huge fan following in JNTU Pulivendala. In fact, I consider computer science department of JNTU Pulivendala as my baby. I'm still contributing to it whenever possible. I definitely contribute to computer science department of JNTU Pulivendala. So I enjoyed it. They are the best days of my life as a teacher. The first 5 years. Because of some health problems, I suffered to some extent for the next 4 years. Next 4 years may not be the major problems, but the problems which can irritate you, which can cause you inconvenience. Let's not discuss about those things. But now I am transferred back to JNTU Anantapur. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying the last 1 year. From the last 1 year, I'm really enjoying. I'm mixing with the students. In fact, I am teaching to the first year students. I think things are changing. Things are changing nowadays. I could make the first year students do some projects. People may not believe it, but we are doing it. So I'm enjoying my life as a teacher. I am learning. I am able to teach whatever I know to others. So welcome to the course, and let's enjoy the course. Let's have fun. Hello. Wait a minute. You may be wondering why I am talking about girls in my introduction. Why? Some people may think that what is this? He's a person of age 50 years, being a professor. Why he should talk about girls? He should be more formal. No, I don't want to be formal with students. See, Swami Vivekananda says, education is for character building. He never speaks about gaining knowledge, gaining technical knowledge, etc. So education is for character building. Telugu we say, ఉపాధ్యాయుడు విద్యార్థికి విద్యను బుద్ధిని నేర్పించాలి. కేవలం విద్య నేర్పిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. So in India, education means character building. Now, why when I am talking to students, younger generation has to speak about certain things? because the age between this 14 and 21, age between 14 and 21 is an age of monkey. It's an age of monkey, whether you accept or not. So definitely, I think all of you accept actually. It's an age of monkey. Different animals live inside us. In fact, we are also an animal, but different animals live inside us, and different animals will dominate at certain moments of time in our life. So between the age 14 and 21, usually monkey dominates. Usually monkey dominates. And there will be a lot of hormonal changes. There will be a lot of hormonal changes that take place inside every person, whether it is male or female, doesn't matter. So there will be a lot of hormonal changes. Because of it, you get attracted towards different things, and you start thinking that everything I do is correct. And what is this lecturer preaching me? Why parents always scold me? I know everything. So like that, all these feelings will run inside everybody. Not uncommon. It's common to everybody. If those things are not happening inside you, then there is some kind of difference. Then there is some difference. So everyone is a common man, including ladies. Everybody is common. Okay. Now, whenever there are hormonal changes, etc., there will be things like attraction happening at this age. And it's something like a passing cloud. It's actually a passing cloud. You should not try to capture that cloud. You cannot do it. So what you have to do is let these changes happen inside you, physically and mentally. Let these changes happen inside you, physically and mentally. Let that be a passing cloud, the so-called attractions, etc. Let that they be passing cloud. You need not repent. Why it is happening inside me? Am I good or am I bad? These are all natural things. These are all natural things. They happen inside everybody. They happen inside everybody. So let them pass. Let them be a passing cloud. Enjoy your life. Be a good student. Learn something. Learn something. Build your character. When you get matured, take decisions. That's what the point I want to convey. If you are not matured, don't take decisions. So usually people will not get matured nowadays. People will not get matured up to 25 years. So don't take any major decisions in your life. Major decisions in your life when you are between 14 and 25. Don't try to take major decisions. Okay. So your path is quite clear. You have chosen engineering, or maybe some of the few may be from science background. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You already fixed it. So try to explore it. Try to explore it and learn something. Be a responsible citizen of the country. Be a responsible citizen of the country. So everything is a passing cloud. Let it pass. Let it pass. Thank you.